Alright, America, let's have a little chat. So, I'm going to show you parts of this video, and I think it's, what the heck is this guy's name? Yeah, forget it. I ain't going to try to say it. But yeah, I'll leave this link in the description after this uploads. I just want to know what it's going to take for America, the citizens of America, the patriots, to unite and stop dividing. Stop letting them divide us in religion and race and left or right or whatever color. It's just ridiculous. As long as we're divided, they will conquer us. So that's your choices: vow or win. If you have kids, then you'd want to win. And that means get over your divisions and look at everybody as we all bleed red. We all have hearts, and we all die. So with that being said, I'm going to show you some of this video. And they flooded Europe, now they want America. Like I said, I'm not going to go through all of it, but I'm going to play some of it. Let me fix the volume.
Germany is facing a drastic number of refugees by the end of 2015, believed to be in the region of 1.5 million.
It is not quite on a biblical scale, but an exodus it certainly is. Migrants who've been trapped at the railway station in Budapest, now deciding to walk the hundreds of miles to Germany and what they see as the promised land.
The other side of this tragedy is how it will change Europe. Non-Western migrants had already been flooding into Europe for decades. Leaders refuse to stop it.
We are afraid. We are in danger every day, every minute. They come inside. Police. They want to kill each other. And we have to do something. Someone has to protect us. They are in a house. We are the victims. We are not them. We have to live life. We have to live our life. They took it for us. We're nothing more. They are. We have to take them from here.
I want to know why. These people that invade other countries, including now ours, can unite. They can unite. They can all stand up and they'll all fight. What are we doing, America? What are we doing? And I'm not saying take to the streets now. Our time's coming. But you need to get ready. I don't know why people have this thought that America can never fall. Oh no, America's great and protected. It'll never fall. Nothing bad will ever happen here. Meanwhile, we have people dying here. We have fires, we have floods, we have hurricanes, we have FEMA barges with I don't know how many missing people that nobody's following up on. Where are the people on all these barges from Texas, from Florida, from Georgia, North Carolina? Where are all these people? Why are we not asking these questions? Why is no one following up on this? And I was going to do it, and I still might do it. I just have so many ideas in my head, it's hard to gather one together and throw it in. So, I just want people to wake up. This is coming. Whether it's tomorrow, whether it's a year from now, whether it's 2 years from now, which I don't think we have that long. So, with all the warnings that everyone is giving to everybody, why are you still sitting there denying the fact that America will fall? It has been, hold on, since 1942 is World War II. That is 76 years. That equals 13. If you go up to 1944, that's 74, and that's 10. That's the kill number. No, that's 11. Sorry. And that's 11. So these are all sacred numbers to them. And 11, they're really working this year with the 9/11 and the 8/8s and 11. I mean, that's their numbers this year. 911 is their number this year, and 11/11. And some 8/11s and a couple 3/11s. These are all sacred numbers. The devil is in the details, people. This is coming. And I just don't want to see a bunch of people die or end up in FEMA camps or whatever because they didn't want to take the warning.
More people like them.
ولكنهم فقدوا إخصابهم ويبحثون عن إقصاب عندنا ننجب منهم لأننا سوف نفتح بلادهم. خذوا اللاجئين سنطلبهم منكم قريبا.
And for the people to think that we don't have African refugees here, we do. We have like $200,000 houses in Maryland, and I forgot which part it is right now. But I was good friends with an electrician that used to go down there and fix stuff in these houses, and he was wondering why all these colored people were in all these nice houses, because they weren't dressed rich, they didn't have car, they weren't rich type people. So he asked a couple of them, and they said, well, this is the houses they gave us when we came over here from Africa. So they're here. America is a mashup of all kinds of races, and that's great as long as you get along and unite, not divide and fight amongst each other. This is just getting ridiculous. But this is what's coming, people. This is what's coming. And you saw that, right? The cops just letting them in the gate. Where did we see that lately? Where did we see that lately? You see that? You see that map? Yeah, people. It's coming. Are we gonna wait for this? Is this when we want to rise up? I mean, we need to unite before this, because otherwise everybody's going to be in their house and America will fall, people, and not just by invaders. And this video goes into the Muslim aspect of all this too.
Increasing groups of people who are essentially asking the question, if the political establishment continues to get its way, in 5, in 10, in 20 years' time, how many Germans are going to be left in Germany? How many French people are going to be left in France? How many English people are going to be left in England?
How many Americans are going to be left in America?
French writer Renaud Camus calls the influx the Great Replacement and says it's the biggest thing to happen to France since the 15th century.
Quel est l'objectif? Ça va faire parler. Et l'objectif, c'est relever le défi du métissage. Ce n'est pas un choix. C'est une obligation. Si ce volontarisme républicain ne fonctionnait pas, il faudra alors que la République passe à des méthodes plus contraignantes encore. Nous devons changer, alors nous allons changer.
Hardly anyone imagined just 20 years ago that the native French...
Alright, so I'm going to put this link in the description, and I would like you to finish watching it. I went into about 9 minutes of the video, and there's probably, I think, about 9 more minutes of the video. But this is just a wake-up call, because things aren't looking good, and I don't understand why, the border, they were all zoned in on one part of the border where it was protected. Meanwhile, we have like 2,000 miles, if not more, that's hardly being protected at all. They're getting in. That was a cover for the news to go watch this one spot where all these, invaders are coming in, or immigrants, whatever you want to call them, are trying to come in. Meanwhile, there's tunnels under it, they're coming in. There's holes in the fences, they're coming in. There's videos all over the internet where you can see them coming in. Of course, the news isn't showing you this. The border's closed, everything's good. No, it's not, people. Wake up. They're here. And there are more coming. And they've been here for a while. We've had some that's already been here for a while, just waiting. I don't know, America. It's pretty discouraging, considering we're this great nation, the superpower of the world, and I just feel like I don't even know how we got there. Because America is lazy. Half of you. Maybe not half, but some of you are lazy. A lot of you are lazy. And you just think that Trump's going to save you, or God's going to save you, or the rapture's going to save you. No one's coming to save you. You have to save yourself. And I'm sorry to be the one to tell you this, but I know there's many others on YouTube saying the same thing. And I'm no different. It's time to wake up. No one is coming to save us. The government is not going to save us. And that's all I'm going to say for now. So, check into this video. Watch the rest of it. It's pretty important to see what's going on. Yeah. Alright, people. I'm out. This is Raya from Patriots Rise Up.